Fritzy came running down here. What, you've discovered the new box, have you? Fritz, I've discovered that Greg and Gary have peed in it, Dad. And here's another new box, Dad. Oh, Ollie's in trouble, isn't he, Fritz? You chirping again, boy? Sun's out, Dad. Isn't that what birds and rats do, Dad? It's chirp. In the morning sun, Dad. You could be right there, Fritzy. I never thought about that. Yeah. Where'd Greg and Gary go? There's our Gary up there. Oh, there's our Greg. Still very noisy. Oh. Yes. You're going to do a 360, you are, Fritz. Oh, no. I'm only going to do a 270, Dad. What, you only do a 180, don't you, Greg, as a rule? I do, Dad. There's our Fritz. He's going, where's the hole gone, Dad? There's our noble-looking Floydie. Right, there's our Gary. What's he up to? What you up to, Gazza? Huh? You haven't jumped on top of a fence for a while, have you? I've matured, I have, Dad.